Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered the getting started guide for Luckfox Pico WebBee, the Linux micro development board, and we have covered that how you can flash Ubuntu operating system on the SD card, how you can complete the network setup, and how you can get the SSH access. Okay, now in this video we will see again getting started guide for Luckfox Pico WebBee board, and instead of flashing Ubuntu operating system on the SD card, we are going to flash Buildroot operating system on the SD card, and then we'll cover the SSH access and network setup and full setup. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. Now here on the camera you can see I have Luckfox Pico WebBee, and here is the SD card reader with 64 GB of SD card. So I'm going to plug this in my system and we are going to flash Buildroot operating system. So we are going to open the SoC Toolkit software. So embedded devices, Luckfox software, SoC Toolkit, and before that we have to make sure that we have downloaded the operating system for SD card, okay, or not. So we'll go to the operating system folder, Luckfox Pico WebBee, Buildroot operating system, and here is the operating system, okay, for Luckfox Pico WebBee. This is for MicroSD card and this is the Buildroot operating system. So I'm going to extract this. Okay, now here you can see Luckfox Pico WebBee MicroSD card Buildroot operating system image, and this is the operating system files. Now we'll go to the Luckfox folder again. We'll open the SoC Toolkit software. Okay, and we'll select the chip RB1103. Now what we want to exactly do is we want to flash Buildroot operating system in the SD card, and then we want to plug that SD card with our Luckfox Pico WebBee board, and we want to run the Buildroot operating system in the WebBee board. So here instead of download section we can go to the SD tool section, and here we are not able to see any SD card. So I'm going to unplug this, okay, and then I'm going to plug it again. Okay, I have plugged it, and here you can see we have 64 GB of SD card available. Now we want to boot from the SD card, so we will select SD boot option and then we will click on the boot files. Now Luckfox operating system, we want to flash Buildroot operating system, so Buildroot, and we want to flash operating system in the MicroSD card. So we have to use this image, okay, and you have to select everything and you have to exclude update.image file. Okay, so total 7 file, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and then you have to click on open. Now here you have to check it again that you have selected 7 files and you have excluded update.image. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yes, update.image is not available, so that is fine. Now you just have to press the create SD button. Okay, so it will write every file to the SD card, and once the writing is complete we can remove the SD card from this reader, we can plug it here, okay, and we can plug this Luckfox Pico WebBee to our system to get the SSH access. So let's wait until it write every file on the SD card. Okay, here you can see create SD card successful. So now I can close this SoC Toolkit software. I can remove this from my system, and we can plug this SD card here in the SD card slot. Okay, so I have plugged the SD card here, which we have flashed with Buildroot operating system. Now I can plug this here. Okay, we have successfully plugged it. Now let's wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds you will see the remote NDIS based internet sharing device here once the operating system successfully booted inside this WebBee board. Okay, so operating system is booted, and here you can see remote NDIS based internet sharing device. Now once you see this in the network connection, you have to right click and you have to open the properties. Now you have to go to the TCP/IP version 4, and here you have to use this kind of IP address in this range 172.32.0. something. Okay, you can change this last 2 digit, but as you know, we have flashed the Buildroot operating system. Okay, and the default IP address for the USB interface for Buildroot operating system is this one. So instead of 93, you can select any number here. Okay, up to 254. So I have selected 23, and the subnet mask will be this one, and then you can press OK. Now we have successfully completed the network setup, and we can ping this IP address now. So I'll open the command prompt here, ping IP address, and here you can see we are able to ping the our Luckfox Pico WebBee board, because WebBee board and our system both are in the same network. Okay, and we can ping it. Now once we successfully ping it, we'll able to access the SSH terminal. So for the SSH terminal access, you can use this command, SSH root @IP address, or you can say static IP of your Luckfox Pico WebBee board. Now make sure we have flashed the Buildroot operating system. So that is the detail of Buildroot operating system. In the previous video, we have covered the Ubuntu operating system. So here is the detail for the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so you have to copy this SSH command for Buildroot, and then you have to paste it here, and then you have to hit enter. Now if you see this message, it means that I have already connected this board with my system previously. Okay, so I have to clear the SSH entries. So here is the command to clear the SSH entries, and I have cleared the SSH entries. Now I am again going to run the SSH command here. It will ask for something, so we'll type yes, and then it will ask for the password. Okay, for the root user for SSH access. So the default password is Luckfox. So you can copy, you can paste, and you can hit enter. Now here you can see we are inside the terminal of Luckfox Pico WebBee board. Okay, now you can check the free memory, free -h. So 29 MB is free. There are no swap memories. And let's check the storage. So df-th. Okay, so here is not sure why it is showing only 5.6 GB, because we have used the SD card of 64 GB. Okay, now let's check the ls block. Maybe it won't be available in the Buildroot. Okay, that's fine. Now we will check the CPU details. Yeah, CPU details. So here you can see we have only one processor. Okay, so processor number 0, and here is the processor details. Now let's check the Python is installed or not. So yes, Python 3.11 is installed, so I can use Python script, okay, to run on the start of the board, or you can say at the boot time. So I hope this is clear, that how you can flash the Buildroot operating system on the SD card for your Luckfox Pico WebBee board, and how you can set up your network, and how you can get the SSH access of your Luckfox Pico WebBee board. So if you have any question or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. And we are going to cover a few more things about this WebBee board in the future. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.